Hi, I'm Dr. Sangeeta Honnur, founder of Smile Elements Dental, Bellandur, Bangalore. Bad breath, or what is known as halitosis, is one of the most common conditions that we come across or hear complaints from the patients. About 25 to 35% of the people suffer from this condition. And there are different reasons why bad breath happens. So some of the most common reasons is the plaque, the bacteria that forms on the teeth, which we all brush in the morning, is one of the reasons that, and which is also known as morning breath. That's the most common cause. So the same plaque which forms inside the gums or sticks inside the gums and the tongue surface which leads to more gum issues called as gingivitis and periodontitis, is the other most common reason for bad breath we see. So there are a lot of other reasons why bad breath happens. Sometimes it's the food like onions, garlic that have a distinct odor that cause bad breath, and some are because of general health issues. Issues can be like regular heartburn, which is a very common thing that people burp and they do feel the breath, which is not good. If they have any intestinal disorders, and diabetics, especially uncontrolled diabetes, and lactose intolerance, do have a certain kind of breath which is very sulphurous in nature, and the cause of this bad breath that needs to be treated. So when we treat the underlying cause is when the bad breath actually does get taken care of. So especially if it's like heartburn and intestinal disorder, the cause of that with medication that has to be controlled before the breath can become fresh there. And other reasons when the plaque, and which we see most commonly, number one thing to do is really good brushing. That is the brushing what we do every day, making sure you brush twice a day and floss your teeth and rinse with a mouthwash, and you can scrape your tongue very well. These are some of the things that we need to do to control bad breath. The other common home remedies that we use to control bad breath is we need to have some salivary gland stimulation for the bad breath. So we can chew on fennel seeds, aniseeds, or just a clove in your mouth, just to chew on that. That helps with the breath also. And other ways of doing it is chewing on any of the leaves, like which are these? We're talking about mint or parsley or cilantro. When these leaves are chewed, it actually gives out chlorophyll, which kind of goes and neutralizes the odor there. And one more tip that could also be done at home is taking a glass of water and putting a little bit of baking soda and rinsing it out.